Okay, we've done a lot of work on our patch job already. Now we're going to slow down a little bit, and first thing I want to do is hook up the spigots for the washing machine. So we're actually going to make a little piece of copper that comes out of here, and kind of make like a little setup for this to hook the washing machine up. I'm going to make a little setup that looks like this. This has some ears on it to screw into the wood. Female pipe threads, a little piece of copper, and a half-inch to half-inch packs. Half-inch sweat to half-inch packs. Now if you wanted to, you could add a valve on here. But I'm not going to do that here. I like to stay away from the PAX valves. Just look at that. There's a big difference. So you definitely don't want to use these on any kind of main or anything like that. I still like to use your regular ball valve.